The next step is importing reference into EndNote. We will start by using or searching articles from PubMed. So to search article from PubMed, you just got to search for PubMed, or you can put in the address PubMed and you enter to go to the PubMed search bar. So what we are going to do is we are going to search for ergonomics and office. Of course, you can use advanced search, but for this exercise, we'll just go and use simple search terms so that we can actually be able to complete the task. So when you go to the search term, you can see that there is 106 articles found. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select some of the articles and then import into EndNote. This selection is random just to complete the task so that we can actually continue to the next part of our exercise. So you can search for any of the different term and then just import into EndNote. So I'll search for 20 articles just to make sure that I would able to populate the EndNote library so that we can continue with our tasks later on. Alright, so 20 articles. After searching for 20 articles, we'll go back to send to, and then we will send to citation manager, and you can see that selected 20 article, so we'll create a file and then we would download the file, or we get the file has been downloaded. Once the file is completely downloaded, you can just open the file and it should open and populate your EndNote library. You can see that the file has been imported into EndNote and is written as imported references. We have made a little bit of mistake because we have actually pressed the import button twice and then we have opened the 40 articles. Don't worry, we'll come back to this and then we would be able to look at how can we remove duplicates later. Now we will continue with our search and we will search the same search criteria using Google Scholar. Scholar.google.com. So in Google Scholar, we will search for ergonomics and office worker. You can see that this is what is found in Google, right? So we can actually download the article that we want by clicking on Cite and then EndNote, and it's downloaded. If you want to download more articles, you can Cite and click EndNote, and it's again downloaded. Alright, so let us go and open our save folder. Go to open under downloads and we open the folder and we can actually see that there is Scholar and Scholar 1. So the numbering is done automatically by the Windows software, the Windows program. So depending on how you have configure your windows. So press Scholar 1, you import one article, and then you go back and look for another one, Scholar 2, and you import another article. So this is using Google Scholar.